What's up, everybody? Richard with Cuttin Up Lawn Care and Development. Quality gets quantity, and I am on location at one of my subdivisions today. I'm going to be laying down some pine straw, and so I just want to give y'all a brief breakdown of exactly where I'm going to lay the pine straw and what's going to be going on today. All right, it's Cuttin Up TV, baby. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So you can see my red max warming up. I got 30 bales of long needle pine straw. Got the Bradley 36 out, getting ready. So this is the area that I'm going to pine straw. Just the bush area on both sides. Right before the Christmas holiday. We're gonna have it looking real good. Then across the street, make sure I watch out for cars. It's a busy intersection. I'm gonna hit this area right here, also with pine straw. And this looks like a lot of little weeds are coming up, so I'm probably gonna treat it as well. Then throw my pine straw down, and it should be good for the rest of the winter. And that's pretty much it. And then after I lay the pine straw down, I'm gonna do a little bit of maintenance at the subdivision. So stay tuned. Know what time it is, right? Oh, you gotta know what time it is. It's time to start cutting up, baby. Pine straw install, yes sir.